Hello, beautiful people. You're welcome to ALY'S Glow, a place where we become beautiful and effortlessly elegant. So today I'm going to teach you how to do. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do a simple afro hairstyle. You wanna start by parting the front hair. You take a bit of hair from the front line, from one ear to the other. So you take out this hair and you separate it from the other hair behind. Then you clip the hair behind together. You wanna also hold the hair in front together before you start styling the hair. This will avoid the hair from mixing up. So you brush out the back hair in order to hold it together. Apply a bit of gel to keep it smooth. I'll go ahead to tie a rope in order to form a bun behind the hair behind here. So I'll use this rope to form a bun. So as you can see, I'm pulling up the hair together with the rope. Now I'm going to flat twist the part which I had left out in front. This is to form a design on the style I want to do. So I'll flat twist it from the beginning of one ear right down to the other ear. Then I use a bobby pin to stuck in the hair into the bun. So I've twisted it right down. Now I'm going to start separating the hair to form a bun. This hair which I'm parting now is not to be twisted. You just need to wrap the hair round right down to the end, and then you use your bobby pin and you stuck it into the bun. So we are going to repeat the process till it's done for all the hair. You're just parting it bit by bit. Okay, voila, so we are done. This is the finished look. What do you think? Don't you love it? This is so you don't stress in doing it. You take very little time to style this hair. If you like, you can add some accessories to the hair, or if you want it simple, you can just leave it like that.